So what we're gonna do at this property, we got some big ideas for this. So let me kind of back up a little bit and kind of give you, if you show them, you'll see that there's a lot of framing here that we demoed out early on. But we're trying to problem solve here because as you can see, we've got duct work, we've got plumbing lines, we've got electric, got a lot of shit going on. But we have a lot of plans as well because we've seen this before. So as we move through this kitchen area, this is the old space. You'll see we have returns in the floor, we also have a gas line, all that's gonna get moved. But let's back up this way and show them what we're gonna do here. That's gonna be the interesting part. So on this side, we're gonna keep this wing wall and we're gonna button it up there. We're gonna demo all this out up into this. We're gonna have this wide open concept. We're gonna reroute the ductwork. We're gonna reroute the electric and some of the copper lines, whatever we've gotta do. And then we're gonna open up that wall as well. That will now give this entire first floor plan more fluid. It'll be more and more fluid. Fluidity will be so much better. It'll actually aesthetically look better. We can now put an island in there and we're gonna have a lot of natural light kind of going around. So this is the dining space, living space, and then it goes into the family room space. So if we keep walking, we reroute some of these things like I said, but we can take some of the old plumbing that needs to be done and we can reroute it. We're probably gonna keep the sink underneath the window. There's no point in not. It's always good to have the sink above the window. I'm not the window above the sink, I mean. But we're gonna do hardwoods throughout the whole first floor. It's gonna look really, really sharp. And then follow me this way, we're gonna open up the stair column. The idea is to always maximize as much as possible, right? Maximize your ARV, maximize your profits. So if you stand here, Ronnie, there you go, that's fine, stand there. You see that we have a standard stair column. That's basic, almost every house has it. What I wanna do is I wanna open it up so I can see through. I want to make this house look bigger. So I'm going to take this wall, we're going to open it all the way up, so literally when you're walking up the stairs, you disappear. However, also on this side, we're going to open up this wall too. We're going to take that as high as we can, so on both sides, you can see right through from the living room to the family room, and knock down this wall and open it up. All of a sudden now, when you come through this front door, you have options. You see this beautiful staircase going up, which we're going to do oak treads with white risers all the way up. It's going to be brand new. It's going to match the flooring. All of a sudden now you can go right or you can go left. And it's open. Gonna be can lights up here, and if we show them the fireplace, what we decided to do is, and this comes down to knowing what the structural issues in the house are. On the second floor, we have a lot of cracking, a lot of separation. So we're trying to figure out for a couple of weeks where that separation is happening. We figured out that it's the weight of this stone, because if we start looking at where all the joists are lining up, we're seeing that it's a dip on that side of the house. So this side of the house is dipping by about 1.5 to 2 inches. So we want to level that up to minimize all the cracking and separation on the second floor. So that's actually a simple problem. So we're gonna take all this weight of this face of this fireplace off. We're gonna redo the entire fireplace. Now the stack's gonna stay there. The wood little bundle storage unit, that's gonna stay there. We're gonna tile it all the way up vertically. We're gonna have 2 sills on each side, and then we're gonna tile up the whole face, have a whole new hearth. You're gonna transform this 1979 archaic type thing, and it's gonna look incredible. So when you see all of it being fluid, this is gonna be one hell of a transfer. This is gonna be one of those real big ones that you didn't see coming. And actually in the beginning when we started, we didn't see it coming. It just started coming together more and more because every time in the rehab game you face a problem, all that is an opportunity to problem solve. It's an opportunity to make it bigger, make it better, and sell it higher, right? So we just gotta check our numbers, double check the talent skill, everything, and then kind of work the process. So stay tuned for this one, because this one's gonna be a badass project, and hopefully we'll have it on the market here real soon, man. Flip that shit.